Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine. I am Ms. Nisa and I am your social studies teacher. I will teach you social studies. We were learning unit number 2, keeping ourselves clean. In the previous class we have learned some ways of keeping ourselves clean, like taking bath, washing hands, brushing teeth, combing hairs. So today our topic is keeping healthy and strong. Keeping healthy and strong or healthy habits. Okay. So in this unit we will learn that we all need food to live. Food gives us energy and keeps us healthy. And there are many kinds of food. The body requires fresh food, exercise and rest. It is important to keep ourselves, our clothes and our surroundings clean. Okay, there are some ways of protecting ourselves from diseases. So we need to look after our bodies so we can be healthy and strong. To stay healthy and strong, we need to look after our bodies. So first of all, we need energy. Our bodies need energy. A car needs gas or petrol to work. It gives the car energy to move. The petrol and gas gives the car energy to move. Human beings also need energy to work. We also need energy to work. We get our energy from food. Human beings get their energy from food. Eating fresh food is good for us. Eating fresh food is good for us. It helps us to grow strong and healthy. And food gives us energy to work, think and play and to grow well. To grow healthy and strong, we need healthy food. Okay? So to work properly, to complete our work, either it is our school work or it is our homework, we need energy to work. We also need energy for playing. If we will not eat the food, if we will not eat the healthy food, so there will be no energy to work and there will be no energy to play. And you can see in the first picture that a worker is doing his work. He is making a wall, so he needs energy to do his work. Without the energy, nobody can work properly. So we will get this energy from our food. In the third one picture, you can see that people grow. With the time, people grow. So to grow healthy and to grow strong, we need healthy food. We need healthy food to grow well. Some foods come from plants. Some foods come from plants such as fruits and vegetables. We get the fruits and vegetables and other grains from the plants. And some foods come from animals. We get some of the food from animals like milk, meat and eggs. We get the milk, meat and eggs from animals. To stay healthy, we need fresh food and we should avoid junk food. To stay healthy, we should eat healthy food. Eating fresh food is good for our health and If we will eat the junk food, it will make us sick. And we should also not eat too much, and we should also not eat too little, and we should also not eat too fast. Okay, so do not eat too much or too little and too fast, because it is good for your health. Okay, eating too much is not good for the health, and too little is also not good for the health. Eating too fast is also not good for the health. So in the one picture you can see that here is a healthy food. We should eat such types of food. And on the other side, here are junk food. We should avoid them. To stay healthy, exercise your body every day. To stay healthy, exercise your body every day. So by taking exercise, we can keep our body healthy and strong. We will be healthy and strong, and we will be fresh when we take exercise. We will be active all the day. Another way of keeping yourself healthy and strong is breathe fresh air. Breathe fresh air. To stay healthy, we should breathe fresh air. Whenever we get up early in the morning, we should go outside and take fresh air. Breathe fresh air. It will keep us healthy, and it will also keep us fresh. Another way of keeping yourself healthy is go to bed early. Go to bed early. Give your body enough rest. We should give our bodies enough rest. If we will complete our rest, so in the morning when we will get up, we will be fresh and we will be healthy and strong. It keeps us healthy and strong. All the day we will be fresh. All the day we will not feel tired. Okay, whenever we do not complete our rest, for example, we take only 5 hours or 6 hour rest. So in the morning when we get up and we go to school, we feel sleepy and tired, and we cannot complete our work properly. Another way of keeping yourself healthy is drink clean water. Drinking clean water, eating healthy food, and keeping yourself clean will also, it will keep you, it will stay you away from the getting sick. Okay, so we should drink clean water. And germs causes illness. Germs causes illness. What causes illness? Germs causes illness. Keeping healthy and clean helps us to stay well. Sometimes people become ill by getting a disease. So why do we get ill? Because of the germs. Germs get inside our body and make us sick. So for that, we should take care of our body. We should keep our body clean. We should wash our hands properly every time. Or while eating anything, we should wash our hands properly, that germs do not get in our tummy. It will cause to cough and colds. It will cause to cough and colds when germs get inside our body. So by drinking the clean water and eating the healthy food and keeping your surroundings clean will help to prevent illness. Okay, it will keep us safe. If we will drink clean water, if we will eat healthy food, and if we will keep our surroundings and keep ourselves clean, keep our body also clean. It will keep us healthy and strong, and we will not get ill. So this was our today's topic, and the other topic we will learn in the next class. All of you take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.